So in making our Swiss chard chips, what I did first was just rinse the Swiss chard in water, then patted the leaves dry and removed the yellow and purple stems from the plant and just tore up with my fingers the Swiss chard leaves, which is what we're going to use in a moment to start the chips with. I've just put the leaves into this bowl and I put 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 1 heaping teaspoon of nutritional yeast above the leaves. I'll massage it now with my fingers. So after sprinkling a little bit of salt, pepper, and red pepper to taste, these will go into the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, which is about 165 Celsius. And then I'll just flip them around and let them cook another 5 to 7 minutes. They cool pretty quickly after we take them out of the oven. And as you can see, they're very thin, wafer-like. And here you have Vegetarist and Swiss chard chips.